first lesson, we'll go over all the bits and bobs that make baking with kids easier, and the store cupboard essentials that are great to have at hand in the kitchen. None of these recipes will have any crazy, hard to find ingredients, and even if you haven't got a bit of equipment, there is always a way around it. In terms of essential equipment, there's a PDF you can download from the course that has a full list of things I think are really important to have if you want to do baking. But just to go over a few: mixing bowls, very important. Scales, I prefer electric, but you can go for these ones if you want to. Rolling pins, an electric whisk I think is really important, but you can do the recipes without if you need to. Measuring spoons, spatulas, wooden spoons, pastry brushes, things like that. But for the full list, head to the PDF. There's a few things that are, I think, essential to have in your store cupboard if you want to do some baking. There's a full list on the PDF that you can download, but some things that you'll want to have in your cupboard are different flours, self-raising, plain, strong for bread, icing sugar, caster sugar, some yeast, eggs, things like that. But for the full list, check out the PDF.